Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Thomas and we are going to give you an update on a mega housing development that's going to start in St. Thomas soon. 917 residential units are going to be built on 150 acres of land in St. Thomas. Now, it was just the other day St. Thomas held the title as the Forgotten Parish. Little to no investment, nothing on the scale of 917 homes. But the building of the Southern Coastal Highway, which is the road we are on now, changed everything. It was a game changer. It opened up the parish to development, or I guess you could say investments. This new housing development is one of many massive developments that are being done in St. Thomas. The Morant Bay Urban Center is also a game changer. Because of the highway, the Morant Bay Urban Center did so well. And it did so well that that model is going to be replicated all over Jamaica. Can you imagine St. Thomas having something that's the envy of the entire island? So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this new development. A major transformation is on the horizon for the parish of St. Thomas, as new Rosalie Properties Limited unveils plans for a large-scale mixed-use development called Rosalie Estates. Located in White Horses, this ambitious project is set to capitalize on improved infrastructure and the growing demand for modern housing and commercial amenities in Jamaica's eastern corridor. The proposed development, detailed in an environmental impact assessment conducted by Ecosystems Quality Management Limited, outlines the creation of 917 residential units across 150 acres, roughly the size of 55 football fields. The development will include family homes, townhouses, and commercial shopping areas, making it one of the most significant real estate projects in St. Thomas in decades. Rosalie Estates is strategically positioned in White Horses, a community poised for growth due to recent and ongoing infrastructure upgrades, particularly the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The upgraded roadway is expected to significantly improve travel times between St. Thomas and urban centers like Kingston and Morant Bay, making Rosalie a practical and attractive location for commuting families, entrepreneurs, and returning residents. The Rosalie Estates development will be built in 5 phases, beginning in 2026, subject to approvals by the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. Though the total investment cost has not been disclosed, the scale of the development suggests a multi-billion Jamaican dollar project. The first phases are likely to focus on infrastructure and residential construction, followed by commercial and recreational amenities. The mixed-use nature of this project is particularly important. It will not only provide housing but also create economic opportunities through retail, service businesses, and construction jobs. The inclusion of commercial shopping zones means residents can expect access to modern conveniences close to home, reducing the need to travel for basic services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.